Natural eating, making the right choices for a healthy life. Hello. Today, we'll explore what natural eating is and why it's so important for a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we will discuss the fundamental principles of natural eating, which foods to choose, and share healthy recipe ideas. Definition: natural eating refers to consuming unprocessed or minimally processed foods. The main goal is to provide the body with nutrients in their purest and most nourishing form. Benefits: natural eating can boost energy levels, strengthen the immune system, and improve overall health. Key principles of natural eating. Fresh and natural foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and organic products are the cornerstones of natural eating. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and salty treats. High-quality proteins. Opt for high-quality protein sources like pasture-raised meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins, such as lentils, chickpeas. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, and nuts, are an important part of natural eating. Practical tips for natural eating. Planning and shopping. When shopping, buy fresh products from local markets. Avoid packaged and processed items. Creating weekly meal plans can help you stick to natural eating. Cooking at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and use healthy ones. Incorporate simple and healthy recipes into your routine to maintain natural eating habits. Healthy recipe ideas. Sample recipes. Chicken breast cooked with vegetables in olive oil. A delicious quinoa and vegetable salad. A healthy smoothie recipe using fresh fruit as a sweetener. Tips. In recipes, use natural spices and sweeteners instead of processed sugar and salt to enhance flavor. Conclusion and wrap-up. Summary. Natural eating is a great approach to support your health and improve your overall quality of life. Once you start eating fresh and natural foods, you'll notice how positively your body responds. Thank you and call to action. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your experiences with natural eating in the comments. Social media and contact. Follow us on social media to stay updated with our latest content.